And there's this cardinal, little baby cardinal, and it has been flopping around the old lady's mirror there for a good 5 minutes or better. Cats have been zeroing in, and I've just been kind of eyeing it. It's all about this mirror here. I go outside, it'll spook the bird, but this is funny. It just it's all about it. I don't know why you can see that. It's just a little baby cardinal, and it's just bouncing all over the rearview mirror there. Must be a pretty birdie, like its picture. It likes looking at its reflection. That's funny. Nature show. Birds are back out.